Các bạn ơi, Phúc Mập đây. Hôm nay Phúc Mập đi gặp Dustin. Phúc Mập mang một khoe cho Dustin. Không phải là Dad, nhưng mà đây là Yui, em họ của Dad. Dad lười qua, Dad không muốn đi cầu khe với Dustin. Và đây là vật nuôi mới cho Dustin, so hãy gặp Dustin đi.
Phúc Mập ơi, Phúc Mập, hôm nay đi cầu ghe. Dạ đúng rồi. Ok, thôi, đợi một chút. Dạ, một chút xíu.
Dustin, what's up, man? How you doing, bro?
Good. How are you?
Good to see you.
What is this?
So, you know, I love chickens and I love having them as pets. So I brought you a pet for you. His name's Yui.
Yui.
Yeah, Yui. He's great. He's not as good as Dat, but you know, I think he'll do.
What do I do with this?
Dude, it's a friend. If you go fishing, you go hang out, you could just hang out with him, bro. He's awesome. You never had a pet chicken?
No.
It's some of the best times you'll ever have. Just be careful because it seems like everybody wants to cook them. And unfortunately, that's how I lost my last chicken, but I trust you. I think you'll be all right. Wow, cảnh đẹp. Phúc Mập rất vui thay vì Dustin mỗi phút cầu ca chưa bao giờ cầu ca ở Việt Nam. Can't wait. Dustin, what are you doing, man?
I'm tying the chicken up. Give me a second.
Tying the chicken up? What? Why are you tying the chicken up?
Well, I don't know what else to do with it.
Dude,
we're gonna fish.
It's your pet, man. You have to treat him like another person. You can't just tie him up. He's not food. This guy, man. This guy. Are you serious?
Yeah. I got poo. Well, pooed on my helmet earlier, but I didn't know it.
Oh, man, it's cool, bro. Well, you never had a baby before? Babies poop too.
Yeah.
It's like a baby with feathers, man.
Just tie it up with like 1 foot, like a leash?
I guess that's all right. I would recommend letting him run free, but, you know, he's a tame chicken. Dat, you eat all my chickens, they're pretty tame, you know, but,
right.
Yeah, if you have to, bro.
Like this?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yui, move the legs. Run around, bro. Run around.
And that's it?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Have you gone fishing for catfish before?
Never. Never been before.
So the thing is, we need to go, the catfish, they don't have good eyesight and they smell. They're always hiding under the plants.
Okay.
So we gotta chum it. So chumming, ant eggs, we prefer ant eggs, but we don't have, so we're using crickets.
Oh, they're like little cockroaches.
Yeah, like little cockroaches. You can eat them too, but you're gonna wanna smash them.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna be smashing these up, and I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna be putting them into the water, because you want the scent.
Okay.
Ant eggs, again, you wanna use ant eggs, so I couldn't find them today.
Nah, it should be all right. It kind of looks like ant eggs.
So let me show the camera. So we'll be chumming with this. No ant eggs today, so this is some crickets. I'll put them in the water right now. Right?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Give me a second. Because when you're going out here, you don't really know how deep it is, because you'll get into the mud too, but that's okay. So we're gonna be fishing in here, so I'll put the ant eggs, excuse me, the crickets. But I need to make a hole. We have like a big stake, or like a, I don't know, a stick with a hook on it. You can do with that, but we don't have that now, so that's okay. Okay. Yeah. We'll start fishing. Alright, let's try that again. So I brought my other fishing pole so we can fish kind of like more of a conventional way that you would in the States.
Cool.
Like even this right here, like in the US we don't have these. We use a different style, like a plastic.
Mm-hmm.
These things are great though. They're super cheap and they work really well. But the other ones we have are fatter, so some of the weight that I have, it slips through.
Ah.
So I have to, some of it I'm like getting used to. Okay, there we go. We're good. Okay.
Ooh, highway.
Đã.
Wow. Giỏi.
Okay.
Ồ, trúng á.
Có.
Trúng.
Hit the bottom.
Dữ.
I think I'll give it. I think it hit the metal, but we'll give it to it. Okay. Ở đây.
Okay.
Anh ơi.
Một lần nữa.
Oh wow. All right.
Highway.
Đã.
Wow.
I don't know how we kick it farther.
Không thể đi xa hơn.
50.
Ok. Bắn nhau, bắn nhau.
That was good.
All right. Cố lên, cố lên.
Was that the tree? Or did he hit the pipe? I think it was a tree.
Không biết.
Yeah,
Let's cố gắng lại, cố gắng lại. I'm gonna try in the rice patties. Let's see if this works. Might have to wait a while. I don't know. Maybe there's no fish. Dustin!
Yeah.
What are you doing, man?
Nothing.
Is that Yui?
Who's UV?
Yui was the chicken, bro, the pet that I gave you.
Yeah, but we don't have any food for lunch, so I just thought we can cook it.
Dude, you've never heard of fasting? We can go until dinner. We're not gonna die.
Yeah,
Look-
but it's I don't know. It's just easy. It's convenient. We can have like barbecued or like a fried chicken today.
Have you ever had a pet before?
Yeah, I've had a lot. I've had snakes, lizards.
Do you
frogs.
kill them? Do you eat them?
No.
Yeah, I'm
No.
just gonna say, like, if you have a pet, you're not supposed to eat it or let anybody else eat it.
It's a different pet
Dude,
though.
this is the last time I'm coming fishing with you, bro.
But it's not a big deal.
Well, not now. It's dead. There's feathers everywhere. What am,
No problem.
what am I gonna tell Dad, man? Really? You killed his cousin.
But it's
I can't bring chickens anywhere, man. I'm tired of this. You know what, dude? I'm out. I'm out.
well, I'm gonna cook it anyway, so might as well at least try it.
But I mean, I am kind of hungry. So, are we talking grill? Or are we gonna saute? What are we talking here?
We might try with some barbecue sauce.
I do like chicken.
Ah, there's a worm.
Finally found one.
If you want to try to catch a small fish, we got a worm.
Perfect.
Actually, just part of the worm. Just it's a little part. But if you're trying to catch a small fish, you can catch them with this. So I'll keep it for later. After I'm done, we'll fish. I don't recommend you doing this, but if you're in the countryside and you're not able to start a charcoal fire, This is a trick that I've learned, but if you do it, be very, very, very careful because you can get burned, and I don't want anyone to get hurt. But if it's your last resort, you can do it. You need enough gas though in your motorbike. Plastic bag. Okay, here. Make sure the plastic bag doesn't go in all the way. A little stick, you gotta push it into the gasoline. And you have to make sure you have enough gas in your motorbike. But this is how you can start a fire in the countryside. You don't need a lot. Okay? Just a little bit is enough. And it's flammable, okay? So don't do this at home or in the countryside. When you're doing this, it's very important to make sure one hand does not have gasoline on it. You can wash it off. If you have a friend doing this with you, it's fine. But you want to put the gasoline on this. This hand has gas. This hand will catch fire. Do not. This hand has gas. Be very, very careful. There's all the trash today we're picking up and extra. Lighter. There you go. That's how you start a fire in the countryside. But be careful and don't do this. I don't recommend it, but it works really well.
Look at what I'm working with here. This guy, he just threw the chicken in the dirt. Should at least be on the banana leaf.
What's wrong with this? You just wash it off. It's not a big deal. It's just a little dirty. But comme ça. You just wash it. No problem. Comme ça, comme gagné, comme gabangde.
Mm-hmm. I should have known after the durian video. This guy just doesn't care.
We have some butter, but it's a little hot today. Is that enough for you?
Yeah, a little bit more. Can never have enough barbecue sauce.
Is that okay? Yeah, Phúc Mập. You think it's done? Xong chưa?
Looks like it.
I think so. So, I'll set it down because it's going to be too hot to eat, and then we'll eat it in like 5 minutes or so.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that. Đẹp lắm.
Oh. KFC's got nothing on this chicken. I'm not disappointed.
Oh, it's nice. You guys, you can take a look at it too. I got a big bone in my teeth right here. I can't get it out. But, you know, it's cooked through. It's super moist.
Very moist.
And I think we cooked all of it. I'm not too worried about it.
Yeah. Whoever died from eating chicken.
I'm sure somebody. Okay. Which piece do you want? You want the big piece or the small piece?
I'll take a small piece.
Okay,
I'm
I'll take the big piece.
always on a diet, you know.
It's good.
No, it's not bad, man.
It tastes like an American barbecue chicken, almost, but I just need more barbecue.
Mm-hmm. I hope Dad's not watching this. Sorry, bro. Your cousin is delicious.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Well, I don't feel so bad now. Now, kind of glad you did it. You know. Dad was so tame and behaved. Yui, he was kind of a dick.
Well, I've never met Dat, but in comparison, Yui wasn't the nice guy. You gonna eat it?
I don't think so. Durian, chicken, doesn't matter for him.
Trời ơi, Phúc Mập, cũng được.
Hey, hey.
You didn't check the pools.
Oh. I thought you check it by yourself. I don't know, man.
No, there's nowhere water though. There's,
Yeah, it's not automatic. I'm gonna IB it. Who knows, man? Oh well. Next time.
it's stuck in the plants. Look at that. It's stuck. This one's stuck. Oh, that one's not stuck. now they're stuck together. Phúc Mập, cũng được.
I told you this is my first time, man.
All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you can share, that would be wonderful as well. And I got Phúc Mập with me.
Cảm ơn mọi người. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This will be one of the last videos with my Dobo because it got really dirty on this trip. But thanks for bringing me out, Dustin.
Yeah, thanks for your chicken. I appreciate it.
No more pets for people. No more pets.
I don't know. It was good though. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, tasted all right.
For you guys, also check out Phúc Mop's channel. Okay? So what is your channel?
HurleyWorks, or as the Vietnamese say, HurleyWorks. Okay? Thanks, guys.
All right, take care, you guys. Tạm biệt.